Pius, what you're asking for is difficult for me to do.
How is it difficult?
Well, I have my own problems to solve. I have things I'm doing with money.
Your female child? Our inheritance is with her husband, not here, Chief.
Okay. My female child and my, what did you call them before? My acquisitions, those people I acquired, right? Well, there is more problem than mine. Are they not?
Yes, but I mean, you have to give it to the right sons of a great family. You know, people like us. I mean, Chief, look at me, Chief. I mean, why would you give your acquired properties to a female child? Someone that's squats to urinate. Well, anyway, she already knows her placement in the society, and well, she's doing well for herself as a cook.
Pius, father left a lot of properties for you because you were so incompetent and almost useless. What did you do with what he left for you?
That's my problem, Chief. I have my own issues that I'm trying to solve. But you see, whatever I do with those things, they're my problem, Chief.
Okay, Pius, you see, my daughter and those boys are adopted will inherit my property, not you. And there is nothing you can do about it. That matter is finished.
Chief, Chief, are you saying that you want to give your inheritance to a female child?
Yes.
Chief!
My friend, shut up! Who are you? You're a fool. Oh, because they allowed you in to see me. That is why you're abusing my daughter? Are you sick in the head? Now, listen to me. Listen to me. Get out of here. If I see you here again, they will break your leg. When I know, are you hearing me? If I see you here again, they will break your leg.
Chief.
Monkey.
Hey, Chief.
Babe.
Yeah, baby.
Are you expecting any delivery?
No, not at all.
Okay. Are you leaving me?
No, never. I would never. Let me see that. Oh, this. Babe, I'm just going to check the country out. And this is supposed to be good news because when I come back, you and I can relocate there together.
Really?
Yeah, sure. I'm happy about this. Are you expecting someone?
Nina.
That's your sassy friend again.
Stop it. She's not just a friend. She's my sister as well.
Well, whatever. I just wanted you and I to spend time together today alone.
Nina, there you go. Hey, how are you? I'm fine. You didn't tell me you was here.
Stop it. Babe. Have you seen what you caused?
Seriously, if you had told me he was here, this your poor boyfriend is here. I won't have bother coming now.
Stop it, Nina.
Stop what? Nina me.
You just got here.
Story. Also. He's always here, always in this house. What is he doing here?
What has he ever done to you? Stop.
You know they work. That guy know they work.
You know what? I don't have strength for your problems this beautiful day. I have good news.
Really? What is it?
AK is traveling out very soon.
Don't think I want better thing. Anyway, it's good for him. At least let him be useful to himself. And stop following you everywhere and cooking for him. I'm sure he has turned practically to your maid, safe. For him.
Anyway, she said he will come back for me.
Story. Babe, but on a serious note, what do you see in that guy? There are a lot of guys out there. I know, he's not even fine. Ike, don't be... See, I beg, you know what? Where is he even going to?
Now you want to know the country.
Where?
Kenya.
God! Look who we have here! You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you
I'm
doing?
good. I'm good.
Darling.
Daddy!
Welcome.
Thank you, Daddy. Don't tell me we have a family meeting today.
And I missed you
I
so
miss
much.
you too, Mommy. And why are you still home? You should be at work by now.
And why are you here?
Well, that's because Dad had me over for a private conversation, and I don't think you're invited.
Exactly.
Really? Okay.
I have a surprise for you both.
Okay, Daddy, let it out already. I have a meeting by 2 p.m.
You and meeting here and there, please. Also remember that we need your presence once in a while. Okay?
Absolutely.
Mommy, you know how much I hate it when you babysit me. I'm a grown-up now, and I deserve to be treated as one.
Okay. Darling, what's the surprise?
No, okay, let's go. I'll show you people.
Let me get my handbag.
All right, okay. So, sweetheart, how are you?
Daddy, you look good.
I've not seen you for some time.
I will be coming more often.
Please do. You know your dad needs you all the time.
I'll be coming, Daddy.
Now, hurry up.
Mommy!
Yo! I'm enjoying the AC. Whoa! This your father is so stubborn. He's so stubborn. See how long it's taking him to come out. What is true now? See, you are just something else.
What happened?
I don't know why you couldn't just get one of the drivers to drive us. See how stressed out you are.
We went to family outing.
Family outing.
Not outsiders outing.
I hear you.
So, Dad,
Yes.
now that you have shown me all the properties,
Yes.
what happens next? You know that I'm a girl child.
Hey, listen, my daughter. You are our only daughter, at least biologically. All right? And then you own everything we have. You own everything we've labored for.
Yeah.
All right? You see, the little problem is we need you to leave this your cooking thing and come and join the company. All right? Frederick will put you through. Okay? You can still go on with your cooking on the sideline.
Listen, what your father is trying to explain. See, this your cooking or chef or whatever you could call it these days. You should leave it. Move back to the house. There are bigger and better things for you here.
Absolutely.
So that you can continue feeding me at 23. No, that won't happen. Come on. You know, I moved back to our parents' house longer before I even left. And you expect me to move back here with you. No, that won't happen.
You make it sound as if 23 is that old. Move back, at least until a suitable suitor comes along.
See,
you know?
Mel, darling, you are smart. You are beautiful. All right? What we just want you to do is come back, become part of a company. All right? See, you don't need to lay any other foundation. We've laid the foundation for you.
That is not going to happen, Daddy. You and Mom made your own money. Allow me to make mine. Then I can always partner with the company when I decide. As for now, you can use any of your other children. You may call them adopted, but they're still yours.
As stubborn as her father.
Fine, Daddy. I have to go now.
All right, love. Take care, right?
I love you.
I love you too.
Mommy,
Take care.
take care too.
Don't forget to come for lunch on Sunday, okay?
I'll definitely come.
Take
Bye,
care.
Mommy.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, there's someone I want to introduce to you. His name is Ike. He's my boyfriend. Well, the proper introduction can be done when I bring him to the house. Of course, I'll come. Okay, Daddy. I love you too. Bye. Well, that's a father and daughter conversation. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I have nothing to say, ma'am.
Are you nervous?
A little bit. We're gonna see your daddy.
You don't have to. My daddy's lovely. You love him. And my mom too. Sure, you love her.
All right.
Can't wait.
I love you.
I love you too. Nina, are you okay? You've not been yourself. What's going on?
I miss my mom and dad.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But you know you're a part of our family now. My mom is your mom and my dad is your dad. You don't have to keep thinking. Just let your parents rest in peace, okay?
Thank you, but it's just really hard to forget them. Sometimes I just remember, everything. Oh, it's fine. And thank you for always being by my side. And just thank you for everything.
Come on. You're always welcome. I'm here for you. We are all here for you, okay?
Thanks, babe. You're the best.
Now cheer up. Come on.
Sure, I
Now that's the
am.
Nina I know. Babe,
Yes, darling.
something has been bothering me.
Okay, you want to talk about it? Go ahead.
Just that I'm going to miss you when you travel.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you too, my angel.
Then don't go.
Babe, but you know I have to go. I mean, we have to search for greener pastures, especially me. I have to go make it. And who knows, maybe we can start up our own restaurant here or even there. You know, we sell lots of delicacies. People are really gonna love it. And then next, we have our TV show. We can call it Chilling and Cooking with My Ike. Chilling with my Ike. Cooking with my Ike.
You're just so naughty.
I know, right? Isn't that why Melinda loves Ike?
Exactly.
I love you too, darling. I remembered.
Why is our life so perfect? Even our relationship is beginning to look real. Her parents literally has everything and adores her. After they contributed to my own parents' death.
Why is Hi,
Chief.
Chairman.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you, sir. And I can't stop thanking you for my daughter, Nina. I mean, our new school is really improving now. She's doing well now, sir.
I mean, it's okay. There was nothing we could do now. My daughter said she wanted us to get her a new school, and we did that as a birthday present.
Wow. May God bless her kind heart.
Amen.
Thank you, Mom.
Amen. It's okay. Oh, by the way, I've been meaning to ask you about your wife. We've not seen his wife.
For a very long time.
Chief, her condition is still remaining the same. I had to bring her back home and I've been sustaining her with the little drugs I can afford. Since I don't have that kind of money to fly her abroad for proper treatment.
Hey,
Oh dear.
what a pity. Don't worry, she'll be okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You know, I have a doctor friend, you know, who's a specialist in this kind of thing. Yeah? So I think, okay, you know, I'll call him today, and then discuss this with him and see how you can sort this out. I
Sir?
think, yes.
My
you
God.
handle it.
Thank you, sir.
By the way, from today, you will stop doing night duties, right?
Yes, sir.
Oseni will take your place, okay?
Thank
so
you,
that
Chief.
you can have time to take care of your wife.
Thank you, Chief.
Now you go ahead and do that.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay, let's go.
I will save Johnny.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Hello? Aha. You have to go home immediately. Go and get your wife ready for the hospital, okay? Yes, I sent some money to you. The doctor wants a comprehensive report. We'll see how we'll sort that out, okay? Oh, thank you. It's okay. Thank you. You're a good man too, you know. Of course, you're part of family now. It's okay. All right. All right now. Okay, bye-bye now.
Oh, wow.
Alpha,
The number is still not going.
you know, I just don't know how I forgot to tell him to pick the money from Oseni. I also don't know why I forgot to get across to the accountant to put in the money.
Well, we trust Oseni, right?
We do, but my problem is why I was so busy I forgot all these. Even the strip, I forgot it.
Thank God for our secretary. If not, we would have missed out of this too. Eh?
All right, okay, let's go.
I'll keep trying it though.
Yes, you should. Let's go.
Sorry. You'll be fine. Please. Just look at your daughter. She's still very young. I can't do this by myself. Please. Chief. Pick your call.
Dad,
Nina, your mother is no longer responding to treatment. She's getting weaker.
Dad,
Yes?
what does that mean?
I'm not sure. But one thing I do know is that we need to get to Chief immediately.
Why? Hospital first. My mom is getting weaker. At least let's take her to the hospital, said my teacher.
Hospital? I don't have a dime. I don't have money.
I have 1,000. I'll bring it.
1,000. Oh, God. Sorry. She's even running temperature. Don't die on me. Ah. Sorry. You'll be fine, sorry. Nina, you know what? Take this. Continue what I am doing. Let me go and look for Chief. Don't stop. You hear me? Don't stop. Oseni!
I got Clement.
Oseni! Where you dey?
I did here. I
Come. Well, Oga, let me call Oga. My wife, they die.
Clement, Oga don't travel this night.
Ah!
Wetin happen?
Oseni!
Wait, Tijani, why you dey shout?
Oh.
Wait. Oga, give me one envelope. Say, man, I give you.
Hussein, I don't want envelope. I want your guy. I need money.
You don't want envelope? Hey, make her go now, Abi.
Go, bring her. Go bring her.
Man, go bring envelope.
Go bring her now. Hussein, now, do quick. Oh, God.
Oga,
Tell me now.
wait, see, you think they worry this man now? See, as I check this envelope, be like saying I'm money.
I know.
Wait, see.
I know.
See as you do like say you
Thank
don't
you.
craze.
We go to talk.
Clement don't mad you. God, don't let my wife sick you. How you gonna follow you?
Mommy, please wake up. Mommy, please wake up. Mommy.
We lost both the same night. Because the almighty chief forgot to do as promised and had plans changed. Flimsy, stupid big man made me an orphan at a young age. Giving your daughter the best kind of life and me a lifetime parasite attachment. I don't think so. Not anymore.
Hey, Mash,
It's good.
I will change it to.
Why do you have to change
I want to
Salah?
watch African match.
I will watch African match, but I want to watch football. So.
Dad.
Yeah.
Hello. I didn't hear them coming. Hey.
Good evening, Mommy.
Welcome,
How
sweetheart.
are you?
All right.
Dad.
Yes.
Mom. This is IK, my boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Welcome, young man.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Make yourself comfortable.
Fine.
No, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, what do you do for a living?
Ma. Actually, I cook. I'm a chef. And that's not all. I also work in an office as an office assistant in an IT company. Yes.
Are you a graduate?
Yes. I actually graduated. I'm a graduate, ma.
How much is your salary?
Ma?
How much is your salary?
My salary is 40,000 naira.
40,000 naira. Wow. Huge salary.
Thank you.
Do you have a house?
Not yet. But I actually live with some very amazing friends of mine. We are all managing ourselves.
Managing. Do you know that Melinda is our...
It's all right. It's enough. It's enough. Let these children go and eat first. Go and get food for them.
Oh.
Go on.
Okay. Oh.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, sir.
Do you love my daughter?
Yes, I do, sir.
How much?
I love her with all my life. With everything that I've got.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's okay, love.
Dad, Ike here is traveling to Kenya very soon, but he will come back for me.
Really? Splendid. Splendid. If he comes back for you, I'll give you my blessing.
Really? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's
God
okay.
bless you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's
I
okay.
love you so much.
I love you too, you know.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay.
I'll take care of your daughter. I really appreciate it.
Please
You
do.
will never ever regret this.
Please do. Please
Bless
do.
you.
Please do. Okay?
Babe, good morning.
Good morning, Nina.
I tried my possible best not to wake you up. Remember, you need to rest.
Thank you so much for staying the night. You're simply the best.
You're welcome there. I have to start leaving.
Just early.
Yes, I have something very important to do this morning.
It's just 6 a.m.
Babe, remember you need to rest. What are you even doing?
I'm working on a new recipe for our
Let me
delicacy.
see.
Actually saw it in my dream.
Really, Mel? You need to rest though. Always ambitious, always working and working. Take a break now so that you don't break down. Oh.
I won't, trust me.
You see, so let me hurry up, eh? I'll call you.
All right.
All right,
Bye.
bye.
Be safe. I love you.
Love you more. Hello, sir. Good day. It's me, Nina. I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Yes, thank you, sir. Sir, I overheard your argument with Chief yesterday, and I feel that's the right thing to do. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you say so, we should meet, yeah. Because I have a lot of... You said... Because I have a plan and I have a lot to tell you. Yes, sir. Okay, tomorrow is fine then. All right, bye. Thank you very much. Yes! Melinda, going down.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the meal. You know, my wife is always a fantastic cook.
Of course, Daddy.
Yes, the food tastes nice.
Thanks, sweethearts.
And that boy, Ike, has he gone?
Yes, Dad. We just saw him off.
Better for him. Now a rich man can come and marry you.
Exactly. I told her the same, ma.
I need to have a word with both of you. It's not every boy you see on the streets that is good enough for a relationship or marriage. Please.
I need to tell you people this. I'm contacting Barrister Jude to start writing my will.
Will?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, but that's not necessary. I don't think you're going anywhere anytime soon, right?
My dear Mel, with the way your Uncle Pius comes here and complains about my having girls alone, I need to write my will to avoid confusion when I'm gone.
Yeah, I agree with him. So in that case, the both of you have to spend the night here today.
Settled. But until we all agree that I'm 23 and...
Mel, darling, this is a Sunday. Let us enjoy it, huh? All right?
But I was just going to say, until we all understand that I'm 23 now, and I'm an adult, and I...
What is with you and this 23? As if she has something about this 3 behind the 20. Everything 23.
It just means I'm an adult.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Just send me WhatsApp message. I'm here now, okay? Alright.
Hey! Who be that? Who be that? Ah! Who be that?
See, my eyes no dey see again. I be my eyes dey turn.
Who did that place?
Ah! Make the ghost no enter. Oh. Eh? Wow. Be. Hey. All I don't do. Be. Hey. Make the ghost no enter. But you come.
Jesus Christ.
You know, the important thing really is that you have good breakfast, you know. When you start in the morning, the breakfast is always good. You're looking at myself, my daughter, right? Look at her laughing.
Hello, Grace. My house? What happened?
Nina.
Okay.
What happened?
I'm on my way.
What happened?
My compound was just invaded yesterday and my house was part of it.
Oh my God. You see why I don't like you living in that area?
Oh my God. So sorry, okay? Don't worry, whatever was destroyed, we will replace for you.
Thank you, Mom.
But I thought you were moving in with Melinda today, right?
I would have loved to, but it reminds me of my late parents. I just want to be there. And I have to go and check the situation of things. I have to go.
It's all right. We're almost done now. We'll drop you off. Huh?
Oh, come on, sir. Thank you. You don't need to bother. I'll just grab a cab.
Okay, let me come with you. We can get the cab together.
Habamel, it's fine. Thank you. I just need to check the situation of things. If there's any problem, I'll call you.
Okay, just keep me updated, okay?
Sure.
Okay, Melinda, check my drawer. Bring her some money and give her for transport.
Okay, but I'll be outside.
Sorry, okay?
Please take it easy.
I'm outside, ma'am.
Alright, come in.
This town.
No, but it's everywhere. You know, these burglaries are everywhere.
Where's in this town?
It's okay.
If I won't be killed, Lord, my
How are you? How are you?
After you now you, my lord.
Let's do this often, okay?
Do what, Mom?
Like coming around over the weekend.
Look, if you were around, Barrister Jude is coming. We would have looked at the details of the will together.
Will again.
Yes.
Come on, Daddy. What's the rush? We can always eat anytime.
You have said so. Now let's take you home.
Okay, Daddy.
That is great. Don't forget my chichi. Mommy, assist you, Anna.
Chineke.
After you? I'm so sorry, Mommy.
Dad. Mom. Nina.
Melinda. It's okay, it's okay.
Where am I?
It's okay, everything is fine.
My head hurts.
Calm
What
down.
happened?
I will explain everything to you, okay?
Where's my dad? Where's my mom?
Calm down.
What am I doing?
Calm down, okay, Melinda?
What happened?
I will explain everything to you. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I will explain everything, okay? Calm down.
Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity, vanity.
Mel, can you stop this already now? It's okay.
Nina, there are no more. There are no more.
I know. That's why I'm here for you. We've got ourselves. Everything happened for a reason. Please just be strong, okay?
It just feels like a dream. It feels like a dream. I just... Oh, God.
Stop crying. No, now. Remember what the doctor said. Eh? You need to stop crying. You heard what he said. Can you stop shedding all these tears? For your health's sake. You need to be strong. I understand. Let me go make something for us to eat, okay?
I'm not hungry.
Trust me, you are. Stop being such a crybaby, okay? It's okay, it's okay. I'm coming. Let me get you your food, okay? Baby, it's okay now.
My God.
It's okay. Babe, do you want me to cry too? Oh, no.
Welcome.
Yeah, hello.
What can I get you?
Just get me something very strong.
Okay, we have whiskey, rum, vodka.
Rum will do. A strong one.
All right, coming right up. All right, here you go, huh?
Thank you, cute face. Why don't you come and join me?
No, thank you. Is there anything else you'd like me to help you with?
Not really, but I like you. And you know you're cute, right?
Thank you. No, I can't. I'm at work.
Come
I
on,
really
don't be
can't.
shy.
I really can't. Some other time.
Say
Yeah,
so.
no problem. Thank you.
Hello? Nina!
Hello, Mel. How are you?
Nina, where are you? Are you avoiding me? Where have you been? It's more than a month now.
I traveled to Ghana, just returned.
You traveled? Okay, so but why didn't you tell me? What's really happening? What's going on? Am I missing something?
No, never, Mel. How can you ever think such? The journey was an emergency, but I will see you soon.
Are you coming today?
No, not today, but...
But you just said you are back.
I'm busy at the moment, Mel. Can't call back.
Nina, wait. I just want to know. Am I disturbing you? Hope I'm not disturbing you. Hello? Nina! I'm even more confused than I was before. What's happening? Oh, no. No.
What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity, up in vanity. Yeah. What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Brothers killing brothers. Life's a game, been a hard time. Money the root of all evil, makes my root last. The bonds that share, gone in a second. Money that makes a girl evil, betrayal and bloodshed. The bonds they share, lost in a second. What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity, up in vanity. Yeah. What is life?
Oh my God! Thank you very much. You actually sent more than what we bargained for. I'm grateful. Yeah, I showed you the property. That was what Yeah, that was what she showed to me. No. Unless maybe she was lying, but I doubt. She's calling me. I'm sure she has seen the letter and needs a shoulder to cry on. Obviously, why won't I pick the call? She's my friend, remember? I can't even wait to have her house. I cannot wait. The call has stopped already. You know, I love you and I always do. Let me know why she's calling me. She just keep bringing and calling my line. I don't understand. She wants to blow up my phone. Bye for now, okay? Kisses. Love you. Hello, Mel. Uh, oh, really? I'm so sorry, darling. No, don't cry. Don't cry. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Guy, I just didn't manage for here. Nothing they happen. Everywhere is dry.
But your packaging, guy, is really on point.
Now for you. You don't know where you are. This is Nigeria. You have to package well to sell your market. Eh?
I was hoping to enter town next month. At least
stay with you till I'm able to.
Wait. Stay with who? Guy, if I say you don't understand what I dey talk. Which house you want stay? My salary is 30K. I know if you carry extra person join body, I beg.
Calm down. Just house me for at least 1 month. You na sharp guy now.
Guy. See, make I tell you, if I see opportunity, I go come up for this country now as we talk. So I dey tell you, I don't want to carry extra load. I know why I dey tell you this thing, my guy.
I be your home guy, you stand. Anyway, till next month, sha.
Anyway, no while I don't clear you now, but more they see how they go. Alright, bro, one love.
Hey, cute face.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, stop it. What's that? Anyway, I like what I see. What about you?
Well, I also like what I see.
Why don't you come join me up for a drink and let's have some talk?
Okay, what drink would you like us to have?
My usual strong brand of rum.
Alright, I think that's perfect. I'll go get us to drink.
All right, I'm waiting. I'm definitely gonna gain something from you, and you're also gonna gain something from me too.
I thought I lost you. The same way I lost everything. You really gave me a scare, Nina. Where have you been?
It's okay. I'm here now for you, eh?
Really?
Don't you trust me anymore?
Of course I trust you. You're like the sister I never had. Just, I've been through so much. You have no idea. You have no idea, Nina.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. I'm crying anymore, okay?
Could you believe that? My Uncle Pius, he took over all my father's properties.
I've always hated that man. That man is wicked.
Now I know why he was adamant about my dad's will. As if taking all his properties is not enough. Now he wants to take over my own home, this house. Where does he expect me to go?
Come on, Mel. There must be a way around this.
How? I don't even know my father's trade. I wish I listened to him. I wish I learned my daddy's trade. At least I would have built some power and an exposure around myself. Now how do I even begin to fight? What do I even know I'm fighting for? I don't know.
Mr. Pius.
I wish Ike was around. I've been getting a lot of invites, but I've not been able to execute it.
No. Don't even go there. No cooking. Remember what the doctor said. You need to recover first. Just leave all these people alone. You're too weak to even fight them.
So where do I go? He's my father's only brother. I don't have any other relatives. Where do I go? Who do I know? Where do I move into?
Don't worry, I'll sort out things. I'll think of what to do. But right now, I don't want to lose you just the same way I lost my late parents. Please, you're all I've got right now. Do you trust me?
Of course I trust you.
Please, I'll find a way. But right now, anything fighting, remove it from your mind. You're too weak to do anything right now. Probably later on, we can think of a way of getting the house back. Okay?
So where do I go?
Come here. It's okay. It's okay.
What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity, vanity. Yeah.
Hello, cute face.
Hey, baby.
Did you get the money I sent to you?
Yes, I was actually going to call you to say thank you.
How about for that small thing? I got you now. You know I really like you. Anything for you.
Really?
Yeah, babe. Just remember the address. So I want you to come in tonight. I'm sure you remember where I told you where the key is. And then feel comfortable, okay? Let me call you back later.
All right.
Hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Not at all. Are you ready?
It just feels really sad losing everything just like that.
I know. But, you know what? Did you keep the key where they asked you to keep it? Come on, let's go. It's okay. Let's go. We'll miss all this. It's okay. Come, let me help you. Come on.
Okay.
At least let me carry this for you.
Thank
Oh, babe. Okay, fine. Let's go. Let's go.
What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity upon vanity. Yeah. What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Brothers killing brothers. Life's a game, been a hard day. Money the root of all evil. Makes my root laugh.
No lies. One touch you do. It's decent. At least you can stay here for a while.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Bear. Anything for you. You know you're like a sister to me. I'll transfer some funds to you so that you can take care of yourself, okay?
That's too much. Thank you.
It's okay.
But you didn't tell me you made so much money from your business.
Whatever. I have to start leaving.
You're leaving already?
Yes, I didn't plan to stay. And I have to get prepared for work tomorrow.
Okay.
Please, Mel. Promise me you won't cry.
I promise.
You sure?
I love you.
I love you more. You can put on your phone touch because I have to take my phone. All right, do it now. All right. See you tomorrow. Where are you? Cute face. Cute face.
Hey.
Oh my God. Looks so cool and sexy.
Are you just gonna stand there and watch me, or you're going to take a shower as well?
What's happening? Why can't I reach Nina? I hope she's okay. Oh God, I hope nothing happened to my friend. This is strange.
You are one badass dancer. You know that?
Anything for you, cute face.
Baby, if I had the whole world, I'll give it to you. Just take all my money, take all my coins. Huh?
I got you, baby. Don't need to stress yourself. My cute face.
Oh, okay. If you keep calling me cute face, I will get you pregnant.
Oh, cute face. Cute face. Cute face.
I warned
Cute
you.
face.
I did
Cute face.
warn
Cute
you.
face.
What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity, vanity. Yeah. What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. But I'm feeling brothers. Life's a game in a hard time. Money the root of all evil makes my root lies. The bonds that share gone in a second. Money the makes of evil, betrayal and bloodshed. The bonds that share.
Melinda, you've shed tears for a long time now, and this has ruptured some tiny blood cells in your eyes. You need to understand that tears create the imbalance of water and antibodies and can make you have a dry eye. This is not good for your condition, as it can increase your eye infection. Please.
Oh my God, I just don't know what else to do.
Please calm down, don't cry. Okay, you'll be fine. I'm going to prescribe some medications for you. You'll come back monthly for your checkup. I believe you'll be fine.
Yes, thank you, doctor.
All right. Stop crying.
She has not replied my messages. She hasn't even read them. Babe, where could you be? Chief should be on Facebook. Chief. Adaciobi. Yes! Why didn't I think about this? I knew Chief was going to be on Facebook. Yeah, so let's see. Rest in peace. How? No!
Samuel!
Hello?
Who be that?
Hello? Good afternoon.
Who are you?
Please, I'm looking for one Chief Adaciobi.
Chief Adaciobi.
Yes.
You know this Nigeria? Chief Adaciobi don't die, tete. No be only Chief die. Chief die with his family. They don't die, tete, for the same day.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Could this be true?
Oga, man no lie for you. See this house where you dey look. Now another person dey leave that place now. Because I'm a chief security, sure you know.
Yes.
I don't want to leave this work.
Yes.
That's why I assist here. If I don't go, tete.
Okay, Mr. Chief Security. There's this other lady, Chief's daughter, the light-skinned one. She's quite tall. She's light-skinned, very pretty. You happen to know where she is?
Oga, why they do like this now? Say you wear condom for your ear. I mean you blind for there. I say Chief Adaciobi don't die. Tete! No be only Chief die. Chief die with his family. The same day.
I know.
Oga,
I've heard you, but the problem is I went to where she lives and they said that she packed out of the place. Nobody mentioned anything about her dying.
Oga, it's better go back. They will tell you where. Chief Adaciobi don't die. Chief Adaciobi don't die. Tete! Nigeria people.
All right, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'll be going now.
Okay. Go. So you don't dey go?
I'm going.
You be Nigerian man now. I beg forget Jare. I know say you be fine, but see as you fine like.
Who's there?
It's me, the receptionist.
Hi.
I'm sorry to disturb you, but I'm here to inform you that you have 2 more days. Are you renewing or you're checking out?
Can I come and see you?
Sure. I'll be waiting for you.
Thank you. Babe.
Yes, darling.
Something has been bothering me.
Okay, you want to talk about it? Go ahead.
Just that I'm going to miss you when you travel.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you too, my angel.
Then don't go.
Babe, but you know I have to go. I mean, we have to search for greener pastures, especially me. I have to go, make it, and who knows, maybe we can start up our own restaurant here or even there. You know, we sell lots of delicacies. People are really gonna love it. And then next, we have our TV show. We can call it Chilling and Cooking with my Ike. Chilling with my Ike. Cooking with my Ike.
You're just so naughty.
I know, right? Isn't that why Melinda loves Ike?
Exactly.
I love you too, darling. I remembered.
Stop. What are you doing? What are you doing, Melinda? What are you doing? Just calm down. Who do I call? Who do I call? Who do I call? Melinda, who do you know? Nina. No! 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 Oh my God! Oh, stop.
I feel so lonely. Babe, where the hell are you? Of course I know you're not dead. You can't be dead. I bought this house with the money I saved up, so that you and I will start our dream project here, together. Now I can't find you. Please don't let it go to a waste. You better not waste my time, because I'm not done with you. I'm not playing either.
Yes, that's it. Yes. But the name is still Nina. That's where she comes from.
Yes.
All excited.
You heard right, baby.
What is it then?
Babe, look, I may not have everything right now, but I've been meaning to do this for a long time. Baby.
Is this real?
Yes, it is. You make me so happy, okay? Look, I am so lucky to have met you, and you make me complete. Baby, I want to have you in my life for the rest of my life. Okay? Make me the happiest man on earth. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Yes.
I'll marry you.
Yes. I mean, I know I don't have the ring right now, but I just want to say this, okay?
It's okay, it's fine. You can always get it.
You make me happy, okay?
I love you.
I love you more.
I love you.
Where do I go from here? I obviously can't retain this room. Where do I go? Maybe I should go to my former house and see if the occupants would just hire me and give me a place to stay. Is that a good idea? Maybe I should call this number and see if, who knows, I could just go for the interview. Okay, let's see. No call card. See. No. 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 Papi, where are you, Papi? Where are you? This can't be my life right now. No. No. Melinda, no, stop crying. Put yourself together. Who is there? Okay, I'll be right there.
Melinda!
Ike!
Melinda! In flesh and blood. Yes, it's me. Oh my God, where have you been?
You didn't look for me.
No, I did. I searched everywhere for you. This is like the 20th time I've been to your house, and the security man denied me access. I even went to your parents' house. I went to the company, but everything seems to have changed. Where have you been?
It's a long story.
Oh my God, my baby. I have all time in the world, okay? Just get in the car, okay? Just go ahead.
Try this.
Oh, wow, look at that. Mm. It tastes so good. I love it. Babe, you know, ever since the last time, I think you've become so fast at these things. It's so incredible. I'm just so happy I found you.
I'm happy too. I'm so honored. IK, you are God sent to me. Just when I thought I lost everything, I was literally at the verge of crashing, and then you found me. Truth is, I haven't cooked in a long while. And I put my strength and everything in this. I just hope that the outcome matches the
But,
input.
but it's amazing. I mean, you did perfectly well. Darling, listen. The talent is inbuilt already. It's in you. It's always been in you, okay? You had the right proportion of ingredients, the right level of softness, the right texture, and most importantly, the aesthetics, because it really looks good and it tastes so good.
It does?
Yes, it does. Try it.
Now I think you're just saying that to make me blush.
No, I'm not flattering you. It's the fact. It's the serious fact, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Again, thank you so much for everything. A new place, a new life. I can't thank you enough.
No,
Thank you.
babe, stop. Listen, this house, this new life, it's all for us, okay? We planned all this together. So this is our new life, our new house, you and I, okay? Meanwhile, can we go watch some movies on my laptop after you finish cooking?
No.
Yes!
No.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes! You said yes. Yes. And we're watching movies after eating, okay?
Fine.
That's a deal. Now,
Can
I
you
think
finish
this
it?
belongs to me. Aha. Go finish the other one.
Foodie.
Yeah, I'm a foodie, I know. Yummy. This tastes so good.
Yep. I just checked. Everything is there. All corrected. No, I'll meet you in an hour. My flight is by 11 p.m. tonight. Okay, gotcha. All right.
Such an emotional movie.
Yeah.
Happy ending. Love it.
You know the funny thing is, the two main characters of the movie actually remind me of us.
No.
They do. I mean, come to think about it, they even look like us.
No, they don't. Good playing.
I know, right? I'm pushing it. So I guess it's time we shut this down now.
That's all?
For now.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So,
Kind of missed you.
I missed you too. I thought I'd lost you.
Me too. And I'm glad I found you.
I'm glad that you're back.
Hey, cute face.
Baby, are you back? I couldn't wait anymore, so I left.
Yes, sugar. It's fine. It's okay.
I need some cash, babe. I hope it's not going to be a problem.
Cool.
Okay, don't worry then. I will.
No. It's fine. I'll make transfer. I'll do it now. It's just that I was saving it for our wedding.
Sure, my love. Thank you.
You know what? By the time you get back, I'll have made more money. Okay?
All right, don't forget to make the transfer. I love you so much.
Sure, I will. I love you more. Bye, love. Love you, cute face. Mwah. My hat. What? What does this man want? Eh? I can't rest anymore. Hello?
Nina, I have been calling you for the past 30 minutes. Where have you been?
Any problem?
I am honey. I need it like now.
I don't understand. What happened to your wife?
It is yours. I crave tonight. Or do you want to question me?
Shay, you are bent on frustrating me, right? You're bent on frustrating me, Abi?
Oh, I should go home and
I didn't say that. Were you the one that came inside?
look sexy to the door, please. I have intention of hitting you up right away.
Dudes.
Okay, so I've told her about her regular checkup. Please, you need to encourage her to come.
Of course, that's not a problem. I'll make sure she does a regular checkup. In fact, I'll always bring her here myself every single time.
Okay, all right.
Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much,
All right,
Doctor.
you're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, look at that one. Yeah, save that one.
Okay, yeah, I'll save it.
Babe, I've been wondering, don't you think it's time to make this official? I mean, especially now that we're getting so many invites for cooking.
And for the umpteenth time, I said no.
But why? What's your reason?
I'm scared.
Scared of what? Me?
No. I mean, come on. We are dating already, Ike.
Yeah, and that's why I said we should take it to the next level. A little step further, making it official.
No.
Come on. Yes.
No.
Yes.
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 No,
Yes.
no, no, no.
No. Thank you.
No.
Said yes. I know you want it. I love you, darling.
Can't believe I said yes.
Oh, that's because you actually meant it.
No, I meant no. Do you think our food tastes good?
Come on, babe. What are you talking about? We did awesome back there.
Really, Ike?
Yeah. Babe. Don't you think it's high time you stop calling me by my name? Ike. You can start now to call me my pet name.
Stop, Joe.
I'm serious.
I will.
You can start today. In fact, even now, like right now.
Right now?
Yeah, sure.
You like quarrel?
Yeah, I bet I do.
Okay, fine. I'll think of something. But don't deviate from the topic yet, okay?
Now.
Now?
Now, yes.
Okay, fine.
I'm waiting.
Okay. My milestone.
Oh, my milestone, that's so sweet. I love it. Come here. Thank you so much. I'm your milestone now.
Yeah, you are.
So, back to the question you asked. Did you notice how the female judge was smiling when she tasted our food? Yeah. That's what happens when the cooking has a touch of IK in it. You know what I mean?
You're so full of it.
I love you, baby.
sign any document, sir. What are you saying?
So whose signature is this?
It's mine, but how come? I'm trying to figure it out. Why will I sell a house that I suffered to get and even killed for? It's not possible now. You need to trust me.
Wait first. See my eyes. They right move from my eyes. Eh? A friend of mine bought this house and a delivery guy delivered this document to him, courtesy of you.
I'm confused. I don't even know what you're talking about. Why will I sell a house that I suffered for? Eh? And I even killed. Please, who is this?
Madam, answer your call so that we can finish up here.
Hello?
Hello, beautiful.
Cute face.
Yes, baby.
Why are you calling me with an international number? Where are you?
Oh, babe, I'm calling to thank you for everything.
Thank me? For what? Sugar, where are you?
I am presently in Canada.
Kawa? I don't understand. Canada? I thought you were in Abuja for your company's meeting. What happened?
There's no company yet. I work for myself and it has paid off. Sorry I sold the house.
I'm lost. Which house?
The house you stole from your friend and whose uncle you banged for cover-up.
Oh my God.
Are you there? You know you can use your asset to gain more properties from him. After all, nothing is impossible, right?
Jesus!
Come. No, come do this one here. No, do this kind thing here. My friend, no, they see face. You know, they look face at all. You better prepare and pack your load and leave now.
I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming.
See, make I tell you, if you want quench for
house.
road when you don't reach outside. Not before here, because the man no they look face at all. He go come here and throw your things out.
We're meant to get married now. No. We're just about to start planning for the wedding. He proposed to me. He was meant to buy me the ring already now. No, cute face can't do this to me. No. God, please. This cannot be real. Where do I go to? Where do I sleep? What do I do now? No! Cute face.
Yes, Ma, this is IK. Ma? Thank you so much. Babe, we won the competition! I knew this was going to be a win for us. Oh my God!
You said it. You did.
I'm a prophet, babe.
Yes, you are.
Come here, darling. You made it possible.
Oh, you made it possible.
I love you so much.
We won.
Let's go inside.
You're fun. We won. Congratulations to us.
Good day, ma. Do you need a room? Please wait. I'll make arrangements.
Thank you. Sis, I don't know if my friend Melinda is still here. We came some time ago together.
Melinda?
Yes.
Oh, I remember. It's been long. But she left already.
Left?
Yeah.
Why? She had no money to pay again or what?
Yeah. Okay, let me take you to your room.
We have another one, babe.
Hey.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
A new recipe, I guess.
Yes, I saw it in my dream.
Oh, your dreams. And guess what? I got us a platform for it. This platform is grand.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, come and check it out.
All right. Hopping in. Wow. With this, we're definitely winning again.
You mean with this?
Yeah. You gotta wait.
I should. I don't want to work on it.
We'll work on it later. Come here.
Why not now?
Wakey, wakey. It's morning. And a beautiful one at that. Wake up, darling. I have a surprise for you. Come on, stand up. Let me show you.
Now?
Yes, now.
Can I at least freshen up, please?
All right, you have 20 minutes to do so. Go freshen up.
What is the surprise?
You find out after you freshen up. Babe, I am going to show you the whole wide world.
Come on, you are already making me very comfortable, Ike.
Listen, babe, we're rich.
Yeah?
Yeah. Say, listen, I just acquired this nice building. We're going to use it for our restaurant. You and I can't wait for you to see it.
Oh my god, are you serious, Ike?
No, just call me by my name.
Okay, fine. Oh my god, are you serious, baby? Honey pie, baby, Milestone, Coastal.
Ooh, babe, I'm driving.
Sorry. But really, you are full of surprises.
I know, right? And I love you so much.
Coastal.
Oh, no.
Nina! Nina! No!
Jesus Christ!
Nina! Where have you been? Oh, you look beautiful. Thank you. Where have you been? I missed you too, and I want to hear the stories. What happened?
Is this cute man Ike? You mean Ike came back for you after all? Wonder shall never end. Wow.
Just hop in, okay? We have a lot to catch up. Just hop in. Come on.
That was how I was kidnapped and taken to Mozambique for prostitution. I had no money to run away.
So sorry. I'm so sorry. And I thought I was the only one suffering.
After a while, after I've gained my boss's confidence, I stole his money and ran away. I just got back 2 days ago.
Oh my God, Nina. I'm so sorry. No, don't cry, please.
I thought I've lost everything. I searched everywhere for you. I thought I've lost you too.
It's okay. You can never lose me. I'm here for you. Stop crying. Please, you know how that makes me feel. You know I hate to see you sad. It's okay. I'm here for you just as I've always been, okay? And thank goodness, God has decided to bless my husband and things are better now. So I'll take care of you, okay? I'll take care of us.
Thank you, Mel.
It's okay.
I miss you.
I missed you too. I thought I lost you too. I'm so happy that you're here and you're safe. You're home now, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
What will I do without you?
It's okay. I never believed we would win this big competition with that new recipe.
I actually believed it. You know why? Because of the process that was handed over to you in your dream.
Exactly. Observing the process that went on today, the accuracy, the swiftness, the neatness, I knew it was a win-win for us.
Us?
Yes, us. I am joining this company and I'm learning as your apprentice. Oh my God, Nina.
Oh my God. That's really awesome.
I know.
Can I have my wife back now, please, if you don't mind? Yeah, come here, baby.
Easy, oh.
Let's go to the bed, okay? Okay. And I can't wait to have a shower.
Shower?
Gonna have a shower. Can I have my wife back now, please, if you don't mind?
I mean, the way he treats me.
Who would have known poor Ike eventually become rich and then come back for you? That's life, Sha.
You can imagine. I mean, I am at the very center of my desire. Dreams come true, you know, Nina.
It baffles me that he's still loving and caring just like he has always been, even in marriage and as a very wealthy man. Mel, you're very blessed though.
You can say that again. And the love? Oh, the love is on the increase daily. I just thank God. Excuse me. Hello?
I have something very important to tell you. Please come alone or with your husband.
Why?
It is related to the death of your parent.
Okay, I'll be on my way.
Is there a problem?
Oh no, okay, actually it's good news. It's a new competition coming for us. So I need to go to their office to fill in the necessary information.
That's good. Can I come along?
Oh no. Because it's a new company, they will prefer if I come by myself. It's more professional like that. Don't worry. Maybe next time, okay? My husband's food is served, just in case.
It's okay, I understand.
Thank you very much. I need to go grab my bag.
Alright.
My shoe. Okay. Oh, come here.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where's my wife?
She went out. She's made your food already.
Oh, okay.
Ike,
Yeah.
have you been coping with my friend Melinda?
I don't follow. What do you mean?
I mean, does she love you the way you love her too? Because I know you love her too much.
I don't understand the question. She's my wife. I love her and she loves me equally.
Come on. She doesn't deserve all the things you've been doing for her.
Stop. I know you so well, more than you even think I do. And I see to your plotting, your gimmicks, and your scheming. You will never have your way. I wonder what my wife saw in you in the first place, making you her friend.
Ike!
Now stay away from me.
Definitely going to have my feel today. Melinda, you must go down and you shall rain down.
What?
Babe, what?
Nina?
Why did you come in?
Babe, what have you done to my husband?
It's not what you think. I can explain.
Don't touch me!
Melinda, please. Melinda, please.
Babe, what have you done, Nina? So it's not enough that you and my uncle had my parents killed. It has been you all along. You, Nina. You showed my uncle where my parents' properties are kept. You did. You and my uncle sold my father's properties and even sold my own house. You moved me out. You did.
Melinda, no. No, Melinda. You can't believe him. He's not telling the truth. I only just helped your uncle to execute some of the plans.
So it's true. After everything we did for you, we took it in you like a sister I never had, and you did this to me. You did this to me.
Babe,
Me.
please, I can explain. I'm sorry. Okay, babe. See, I have changed. I have changed. Please, you need to listen to me. It was because of your father's neglect and busy schedule that
I hate you.
Oh, babe, no,
Don't touch me! Get your shitty hands off me! Don't you dare touch me! I don't want to ever see you again! Just get out of my house!
It's me,
Leave!
Nina!
I said get out!
I'm sorry!
Leave!
Okay,
leave!
Okay, babe, I'm sorry!
Out!
Why do you want me to go? I don't have anywhere now!
I don't care! At this point, I don't give a damn! Just get out! And for your information,
Melinda, please, Mel,
the police is outside waiting for you.
Mel.
You explain to them
Mel,
what you did to my
cannot
parents.
do this. We are like sisters.
Already done.
Mel, please.
Nina,
I'm your sister.
You are dead to me.
You know you tell me.
Get out!
You
Just
no. Get out!
I understand that this must be a very difficult time for you.
Thank you very much, Pastor Jude.
You have indeed seen it all. The good, the bad, the ugly. Our advice, open your mind and embrace life.
Now you're beginning to sound like my husband.
And once again, all your parents worked for will be waiting for you. Documents all in your name.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Now I know why my father held you in such a high esteem. I appreciate everything.
You're welcome. It's
Thank
my
you.
pleasure.
I would like to turn my father's company into a restaurant.
All right. May I know the reason, please?
This is what my immediate family wants.
Okay. If you say so, processes for the changes will commence immediately.
Great, because activities need to also commence immediately in the building.
Sure.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much. You've been so helpful.
Thank you.
Okay, just keep me updated.
All right.
So,
Thank you very much. Yeah.
shall we?
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for being here.
What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Vanity, upon vanity. Yeah. What is life? Need someone to tell me about it. Brothers killing brothers. Life's a game, been no harder. Money the root of all evil, makes my root last. The bonds that share, gone in a second. Money that makes a girl evil, betrayal and bloodshed. The bonds they share, lost in a second.